We're going to come back to you as we, let me just quickly wrap out things. 160 points down on the Nifty, 24,837. So over 1,000 points in terms of this volatility that you can see on your screen. Down, up, down, and a little bit up again. So big moves, at least on the Nifty. But even, with the 160 point cut, it doesn't feel like a particularly bad day because of the amount of stuff which has happened as far as broader markets are concerned. So a really long list of volume-led gainers is what we had coming through once again. I mean, actually on the Nifty, there's not very much at all. Geo Finance, and I think there was IndusInd Bank. Those are the only two names which had any meaningful gains. Otherwise, everything else less than 1% up. And on the downside, again, I mean, it was just that lots of stuff was down, but nothing meaningfully. Ultratech was the only 2% plus kind of a loss. Whereas if you look at the broader market, it's pretty exciting stuff. Bayer Crop 10%, Apollo Micro 12%, Camlin Fine, GT&D, Hitachi, Aventil, Cosmo First another 6%, Premier Explosives, Minda Corp, Centum, Nibe, Sequent Scientific, Tega Industries, Jyoti Structures, Suvain Life Sciences, Exicom 10%. So vibrant, really. Shankara Bilcon another 5.5% odd. Advanced Enzymes about 6.5% odd. So lots and lots of activity really coming through as far as the broader market is concerned. Of course, there were losers as well, and some of them backed by volumes. As I said, nothing really very, very negative, or it was just a down day. That's it. So 24,840 is where the Nifty is now finally closed at. I think what we're going to do is we're going to wrap up things on this edition of Closing Bell. From all of us here, it's goodbye. Thank you very much for staying with us. But don't go anywhere. Markets forward will pick up on all the action in just a bit on the other side.